What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to set up international shipping on Shopify. Now first thing you should do is to simply log in into your account on Shopify. Then once you enter the dashboard of your account, you should go down right here and choose settings, click on it. Then here it will show you multiple options on the left. Go to shipping and delivery. And once it opens this page, you should now click on create a new profile. Then it will jump you to this partition right here. Now you have to click on add shipping zone. And here, as you can see, you will be able to name the zone and you can also add the countries. And don't worry guys, this zone name won't be displayed to the customers. So I can name it whatever thing that I want. So I'm gonna name it the main countries that I want to ship to. Okay, or you can change the name and type any other things that you want. And after that, now here you have to add the countries that you want to ship to. So here in my case, I'll choose Canada, United States, United Kingdom, Spain, Portugal, Poland, Norway, Netherlands, and so on. Then after that, you can simply click on done. And here, as you can see, it will show you this message right here. And now what you should do right now is to simply add the shipping rate. How much money will these countries pay for the shipping? So I'm gonna click on it. Then here, as you can see, it will show you these options. Now you have to rate type. Do you want a flat rate or something that's calculated? So I'm gonna choose the flat rate. Then here you have the shipping rate. You can also custom the rate name. You can type the custom delivery description, tracking number provided, for example. And here you have the most important thing, which is the price. So I'm gonna set it 15 euros, for example. And after that, you can simply click on done right here. And here, as you can see, you have the rate added and all the things are done correctly in the shipping zone. You can also click on add shipping zone if you want to add another zone and add more countries to this zone, because you may want one zone to pay more than other zone, so that you cannot actually have two prices for the same country. And that's all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you guys in a new video.